Hello, and welcome back, fellows. I'm your host, Suleiman Qureshi, and I'm back with yet another productivity technique to help you with your Excel spreadsheets. Today, we're going to join text. So, what are we waiting for? Let's move on to our spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, I have a few examples, so I will not just share with you the technique, but a few examples as well to help you understand how you can use this technique. So, let's move on to our first spreadsheet. There we have some text in column E, and we have some numbers in column F. So we are going to combine them. The function that I'm going to share with you first is equal to concatenate, and it's very simple. It's, as you can see on the syntax, it's saying text 1 and text 2. So I will select text 1, then I'll press comma. I'll select text 2, which is F4. I will close the parenthesis, and here I can see that these texts are combined and joined. Now, some of you may come up with an argument that, hey, they are very closely linked together, so there may be a space would be better to have it. That's fine. We can deal with that as well. No issues at all. We will write the function again, same way. So first of all, I have to select the text. Then I will press comma, and I will press another sign, that is quotation marks, give a space, quotation marks close, and then pressing comma, select the second cell. Now you can see there's a space between the number and the text, and that's exactly what we wanted. There we are. The text is joined and it is ready. Now, I will share with you the second technique. The first one was with concatenate. Now I'm going to share with you a technique of joining text with and sign. So is equal to first text, then and sign, and then second one. And simple as that. It's even more simpler. You don't have to write any syntax, and you can run it through. Very easy. So these were two ways of combining and joining the text. Now I'm going to use a little bit more of these signs in a practice. So for example, here there is a email address which is quite scattered, and we need to bring all of these text cells in one particular cell. So is equal to, I will use here this and sign, and I will easily bring it in. We will use the and sign function here. Is equal to Mike, then and dot and Smith and at the rate and gmail.com, and there we are, mike.smith@gmail.com. Very simple and convenient, and in a matter of seconds you could combine and join all the text here. I'll move further with another text example. Here we have an hyphen, so we need to bring the hyphen between A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Very simple. I will type is equal to concatenate, that's the function, and then I will select ABC, then comma, I will select the hyphen, and then comma, I'll select 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. And you can see now with this selection, I could bring the hyphen in the middle, and on the both sides we have text and numbers. Let's move on, and let's see, we have some names here. I will remove this one. We want to combine the names. Is equal to concatenate, and then I will select Mike, comma, then I'll give the quote sign and space and quote. You remember we were practicing to give some space, and now Smith. So this gives Mike and Smith some space. You can see we have added the quotation marks and given it some space. You can bring it down, and Mr. James Bond have the same. So fellows, I hope you enjoyed this particular session. Please do share your comments in the comment section so that I can bring more functions, more functionalities, more formulas to help you understand how you can efficiently use these Excel spreadsheets in your daily job and gain most productivity out of it. I wish you all a wonderful day ahead, and I look forward to speak to you with yet another productivity technique. Till then, ta-da. if you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.